Rex has a lot of flexibility in terms of how it is set up. The Customize button in the Utilities section is where most of these decisions are made. Along the left side of the page are boxes containing sections for bids or jobs, companies, persons, and marketing. For each of these, you can create and customize the labels and lists that best apply to your company. For example, appraisers' names and initials are input here and referenced throughout the report. These checkboxes are for appraisers no longer involved in your company. If you want individual appraisers to be included in group emails announcing new jobs, their emails go here. In addition to the choices inside the labels, Rex allows some of the labels themselves to be customized. These can be set up in any way you choose. Assume you live in a community with a strong cross-town sports rivalry, in which people are pretty much either aligned with the West Side or the East Side. You could call Person Qualifier A Team, knowing you can add the choices for West Side or East Side as the pull-down choices. When over the course of doing your business you find a strong West or East Side preference, you indicate that person's preference in that qualifier. This information could be helpful when you speak to them on the phone, and also allows you to pull customized lists for mailers, letters, etc. This example is provided to give an understanding of how such information can be used. You can track whatever data you think will benefit your business.